time to put the face frame onto the cabinet, the painted face frame, and then the doors, and I can take this to the house and start on the next one. I had a question, at least I think this was the question in the comments today, was have I ever had a pocket hole poke through the other side? So this here is a piece of 3/4 inch wood, and I want to give you a close-up. You can also measure with all sorts of measuring devices. But this 1 1/4 inch screw, pocket hole screw, designed 3/4 inch material, sticks out 5/8 of an inch. So you can get an idea of how far in to the face frame it will screw into. If it is deeper, you need to adjust the collar on your drill bit so that you're not drilling so deep. This part here is what sets the depth of that screw there. Blocks. I need one more hand. This is the top, left. So just like that. Now, it's going to go on one way, right? It goes on this way. I have to say that paint job came out perfect. Now the trick is going to be getting all the other base cabinets to have the exact same look. It's not the color, it's that last coat, that last heavy coat where you try to get it to flow out and create a very flat surface. The sheen is determined by the gloss of the paint, but you need it to flow out. If you don't have it wet enough, you'll get a stipple on it, and you don't want that. And you can't have all the different cabinets with a different finish on it. So that's the trick. If you mess up, get out the sandpaper, knock it down, take some of that paint off, and do another coat. This is a very heavy sink. It's probably, well, it's heavy for a stainless sink. Ugh. I don't know how much this thing probably weighs. I'm guessing it weighs 40 pounds or so. Oh, does that look beautiful or what? I love it. Oh, it's gonna fit so perfect. I love it. That looks amazing. Pocket hole joinery. There is some glue in there, especially on the doors. Look at that seam. That is perfect. Now, all of the rest of these doors got to meet just like that. That's less than a 1/16, or maybe just about a 1/16. Just perfect as can be. Well, I guess this is the end, finally the end of this video series on this one cabinet. Next, I'm going to a hardwood store, specialty hardwood store, on Monday. See if I can see what they have for poplar. I don't know if this one is poplar or not. Poplar, soft maple are one of the most commonly used species of wood to build painted cabinets. Mainly just the face and the doors of painted cabinets. I did get these. Everything you see here came from Home Depot. Even the MDF middle panel. That wood has worked for me in the past. I'm willing to spend more money on getting more stable wood. I'm just going to go look at it and see what they can tell me about why I should buy their 3/4 inch poplar and not Home Depot's. If they've got a good reason, maybe they've got some sort of moisture content ratings or specific kiln dried wood. I know that Home Depot's is supposed to be kiln dried. If it's domestic, I don't mind paying extra for domestic wood. The main reason is to get stuff that won't warp. Not concerned about the face frames, since the face frames are going to be screwed to an actual cabinet box and you can screw down a slight bow. The upper cabinets are the ones that I got to worry about. The cabinets themselves are going to be about 40 inches tall. The doors will be closer to 37 inches tall. The larger the door, the more likely the door is going to warp, and you don't want warped doors. The cabinet hinges that are adjustable in 3 different directions help you adjust out some minor warping, and that's just kind of standard. You're going to get some bowing and warping on doors over the years. Different construction methods for the upper cabinets. Don't think I'm going to even use the router thingy over there. I'm going with all dado stack for the rabbits. Gotta say it right. You call it a rabbit. Holy cow. God forbid it sounds like you said the word rabbit, like the bunny-eared rabbit. Rabbits. And dados are going to be cut with the, whatchamacallit. What is this thing called? Yes, with the dado stack. And we'll be using glue and staples. Okay, well, comment below. Click that like button. Share it. Oh, and if you don't like the paint color, you don't like the design, you don't like the paint color, feel free to post pictures of your kitchen on Instagram and tag me. So all 8,000 people that follow me on Instagram can see what a great designer you are and how nice your kitchen is. Or better yet, upload a YouTube video. Take us a tour on your amazingly designed house. and show us all. I'll pin it. I'll pin the link in one of the next videos. Okay? Goodbye.